Good morning, Camden County and the surrounding areas. My name is Matt James with Bennett Chevrolet here in Kingsland, Georgia. This morning I want to talk to you about a feature we have on two of our vehicles, on our 2019 Silverado and our all-new 2019 Chevy Blazer. First, I want to talk about this Silverado LTZ. This truck is loaded with navigation, heated cooled seats, leather, lane departure, and more. But what I want to talk about today is the automatic tailgate. And in this 2019 Silverado, there's two ways of letting your tailgate down. You have a push button here, or you also have a key fob. In this particular Silverado, we do have lift assist on the tailgate. And next, I'd like to talk about our 2019 all-new Chevy Blazer Premier Edition. This is loaded with heated cooled seats, navigation, lane departure, and much more. But I'd like to give you a quick demonstration on our hands-free liftgate. If you have any questions or would like to test drive our 2019 Silverado or Chevy Blazer, please stop by Bennett Chevrolet in Kingsland, Georgia, where we beat big city prices.